Ostriches and emus are flightless birds, which means they are too heavy to fly. Ostriches live in grassland and savanna. Savanna is a place with lesser trees with more grass. Shrubland is a place where there's a lot of bushes and plants in the continent of Africa. Emus live in eucalyptus forests, woodlands, and deserts in Australia. Ostrich birds are big birds that are considered camel birds. They are similar to camels since they have long necks and facial features. Ostriches travel like camels and live in very hot environments. Emu birds are considered the second largest birds in the world. Their feathers are brown and gray in color. Ostrich feathers on male birds are black with white at the tip of it. Female birds are brown and gray. Emus weigh 120 pounds and 129 miles per hour to get to another habitat or environment. Young ostrich birds' color feathers are mostly striped with round dots. They have long necks and oval-shaped bodies. The eggs they come from are blue. Emu birds' color feathers match with the environment they live in to keep safe. They can grow really fast. They come from green color eggs. They can swim and run fast. The father emu raises the young emu birds. Ostriches can run 42 miles per hour while traveling to another new place. Their eyes are bigger than their brain. Their eyes are big circles. Emu birds' diet is plants, and they could go without eating for a couple of weeks. A grown-up emu bird can swim and travel fast. Their cousins are the cassowary birds. Ostriches weigh 329 pounds. They have eyelashes that protect them from the dust storms. Their diet is plants, roots, and seeds. Ostriches swallow their food since they have no teeth. They can go without water until they can get access to water. Emus' eyelids also have protection from the dust and dirt while being in those kind of environments. Their feathers can take the roughest weather conditions. Emus are also found in Papua New Guinea, an island country, Indonesia, and the Philippines.